Okay, I have got a two-stage Toro Power Max 826 OXE right here, and I am going to show how to change the spark plug and do an oil change for basic maintenance. The first thing you need to do is take the wheel off. So you pull up on this tab right here and slide this off. Then you can pull the wheel straight off. And I cut a milk jug to use to catch the oil. Here's where you unscrew the 10mm plug, and I'm just going to let it drain into here. I let the angle of the snowblower, how it sits without the tire on it, I let that angle help drain the oil out, and just wait until it stops dripping. One tip is you want to remove the dipstick right there to give it some air so that it will drain easier.